Hello guys, kamusta kayo? Tayo ay mag-unbox ngayon ng Army Toys. So yeah, this is an Army Toys, and by the way, please click the subscribe button below para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga video. Okay, let us check this one. Oh, nice. This army is wearing a light brown suit. Oh, guys, it's that amazing. And it's beautiful. Oh, okay. And another one. Let us check. Another one. Oh, guys, nice. It's amazing, guys. Oh, this army is wearing a green suit. Oh, what's impossible, this one. Oh, it's another one. Okay, let's stand it. Oh, yeah. Nice. So amazing, guys. This color is beautiful. Oh, okay, alright. And the next one. Oh, it's two. It's two. It's two army wearing a green suit. Nice. Oh, the manager. The little one. Nice. But oh, guys, how is it? It's a tank. It's an army tank. Oh, amazing. Oh, full of fire. Okay, let me check this one. Oh, guys, it's army boat. Oh. Wow. Wow, helicopter. Nice. Oh, it's ready to landing. Come on, guys. Wow. The next one is, oh, motorcycle. Oh, this army motorcycle. Nice. It's beautiful. Oh, what is this one? I guess this is a tower. Oh, yeah. It's tower. Nice. Oh, it's puzzle. We need to construct this tower. Okay, guys. Okay, let's do this. It's just one.